Have you ever wished your vinyl records could blend seamlessly with your modern tech? Well friends, let me introduce you to a turntable that's not only a feast for the ears but also a work of art for your space. Meet the ICE1 full acrylic high-fidelity Bluetooth vinyl turntable, a jaw-dropping fusion of classic vinyl nostalgia and sleek, modern functionality. Oh my goodness, let's start with the stunning all-acrylic design. It's crystal clear, literally. This turntable looks like a piece of modern art, but it's not just for show, it's built for serious music lovers. Whether you're spinning old classics or new releases, this beauty makes a statement in any room. Okay, imagine this, you're vibing to the warm tones of vinyl, but you're not tied down by wires. That's right. With aptX HD Bluetooth connectivity, you can enjoy crisp, high-fidelity sound through your Bluetooth speakers or headphones without missing a beat. But if you're a traditionalist, it has RCA outputs too, so you can hook it up to your favorite sound system. This baby is built for everyone, whether you're a seasoned vinyl collector or brand new to turntables. The manual belt drive ensures smooth playback, while the auto-stop function means no worrying about the needle endlessly spinning at the end of a record. And let's not forget the removable dust cover, because nobody likes dusty records, right? The setup was so easy, I didn't even need to glance at the manual, but don't worry, it's included for backup. The built-in RIA preamp means you can plug and play right out of the box. And can we talk about the sound? The pre-installed Audio-Technica 8in3600 cartridge delivers such clear, rich audio. It feels like you're sitting in the recording studio. This is for everyone. Whether you're an audiophile, a design enthusiast, or someone just starting their vinyl journey, the ICE1 turntable will make your music moments magical. The ICE1 isn't just a turntable, it's an experience. From its sleek design to its versatile functionality, it's perfect for vinyl lovers who want the best of both worlds. The warm, authentic sound of records and the convenience of modern Bluetooth.